It's my second video about the new user testing survey release. If you haven't watched the first one, it's right up here. Just click on that, go watch the first one, then come back and watch this one. The user testing product team made a fast follow release to enhance surveys even more by adding a brand new question type to the surveys. It is the URL question type, and here it is. You will notice this is the exact same survey that I used in last week's video, and I'm just coming right back to it so I can show you how to add that new URL question type. So over on the left side are all the questions that I already asked. All I have to do is go over here and click on add a new question. So I'm going to click that, add a question. You will see the new URL question type. So let's go ahead and click that. We automatically scroll down to the bottom, and now I can add any URL that I want. So why would I add a URL? Because sometimes you want to get feedback and ask survey questions about a thing, a web page, an image, a video, an audio clip. It could literally be anything that you want to get that survey level feedback on. This is not the same as a user testing unmoderated test. You are going to only be able to ask questions in a survey format about these URLs, about these web pages. You are not going to get think out loud feedback with this. You are not going to hear what people are saying or be able to watch what they are doing. You are just going to send them to a URL. They will look at it and then they will answer questions about it. This is not the same as usability testing. It is a survey where you're asking questions about something they've seen. So now you can take this new survey URL option, start adding in some visuals into the survey, get feedback on those visuals, especially if you're looking for more quantitative feedback on that visual. This is the way you do it. You put a URL, then you ask some questions about it in a large scale sample size, 100, 200, up to 1,000 per audience you can add. It's really unlimited. You can get that massive level feedback that you're looking for. I'm really excited. I'm not sure if they're going to do something more to it by next week. If there is, I'll do a video. If not, we'll move on to something else. There's a lot of great things in that most recent user testing release. And so I will see you then.